Today in this video, we'll be looking at the aspect ratio issue in Next.js. Now if you look at it, the aspect ratio of the image is not maintained, right? The original image looks like this, right? And in our application, the image looks like this. Because what we normally do is, we will first give the parent element of the image some width and height, and then use fill as true. But when we use like this, then the height and width will both be 100%. And because of that, the width and height will not be maintained, right? Because we have hard-coded width and height, right? So in that case, how can we maintain the aspect ratio? Now, the first method is this one, right? If you simply remove everything and just give width and height hard-coded, in that case, we can maintain the aspect ratio, but that's not a good practice because we cannot make it hard-coded, and we simply have to rely upon the parent so that our page become responsive, right? It will become responsive to mobile, tablet, and any other devices, right? So this is not a good practice at all. So the good practice, or the best way, is simply give width 0 and height 0 and sizes to be 100 view width, and style. Now you can modify the style width as 100% so that will maintain the width of its parent, and height as auto so that it can maintain the aspect ratio of the original image, right? Now when we do this, then the aspect ratio of the image will be maintained. All right, so that's it for this video. And if you want to, I've already answered the question in Stack Overflow. You can watch this as well. If you have any, if you get any errors, like for example, if you get error like this, you can simply use this code to fix that error. Or you can also explore some other solutions as well. So I'll be providing the link of this question answer in the description of this video. And that's it for this video, and I'll be coming back with so many other tutorials regarding Next.js, React.js, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and so many other things about front-end development. Until then, have a great day.